Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the egg cooking program on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. Can be used by going to Modes, then Cook Eggs. Now you can select the size of eggs to small, medium or large. And select whether you want them soft, waxy soft, or hard, and it will automatically set the cooking time. You could also adjust it if you'd like to change it to, like, for example, do something in between waxy soft and hard. Then you could change the cooking time. Of course, for different size of eggs, it'll also change it. And you can add a maximum of 5 to 6 refrigerated eggs into the simmering basket that you need to install inside of the bowl. After cooking is done, you can hold under cold running water for about 20 seconds to stop the boiling process. And you should fill the mixing bowl with about 500 milliliters of cold water. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.